Hello guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can add a smartphone frame to your videos in CapCut. So here I've already imported the video that I want to edit, and here to add the smartphone frame, you just need to go to stickers and here swipe through the category until you find. Okay, wait a second. Okay, so this category is right here, like the frame shape. So this in here you'll easily find the smartphone sticker. Click on add and just adjust the size to your liking, and after that here make the durations of the stickers the same with the video. And after that, click on the video and make it small until it fits into the screen, the phone screen, like this. So to make it fit best, you can use the masking feature here. I'm going to use the rectangle. Okay, I'm going to fit in into the phone size like this, and to have round edges, just use this option. Okay, click on the check icon and you'll be done. You can also change the background color by go to background and choose the background that you want. Okay, I'm going to use the yellow color, and that's it. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and also subscribe, and also click on the thanks. Bye.